Benadon tablet is composed of pyridoxine, which is a naturally occurring form of vitamin B6. It is necessary for maintaining important functions in the body such as glucose and amino acid metabolism, production of red blood cells, proper functioning of the nervous system. Benadon tablet is used for the treatment and prevention of vitamin B6 deficiency. It is also used for the treatment of anemia in adults. Benadon tablet works by maintaining the proper growth and development of your body by supplying necessary nutrients. Uses of Benadon. Benadon tablet recommended for drug-induced vitamin B6 deficiency, like pyridoxine deficiency occur due to drugs such as cycloserine, isoniazid, penicillamine, oral contraceptives, etc. Dietary deficiency of vitamin B6. Treatment of sideroblastic and macrocytic anemia. Treatment of nausea and vomiting induced by pregnancy, used in treating pyridoxine-dependent convulsions and fits in infants. Premenstrual syndrome treatment. Excess lactation suppression in combination with other drugs. The treatment of dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, and other inflammatory skin conditions. How to use. Benadon tablet may be taken with or without food. The dose and duration of the treatment will be determined by a doctor based on the severity of a condition. Take this medicine for the recommended duration for better results. Avoid taking more than the recommended dose. Take 1 tablet of 40 mg daily or as directed by a physician doctor. Contraindications. Contraindications for vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is contraindicated in those hypersensitivity to any component of a vitamin B6 containing product. Precautions. If you have heart disease, liver or kidney disease, drug or alcohol addiction, consult a doctor before using Benadon tablet. If you are allergic to any medicine or food, consult a doctor before using this medicine. Use this medicine under the supervision of a doctor. To avoid an adverse reaction, consult a doctor if you are already taking other medicines. Side effects. The most common side effects of Benadon tablets are fever, headache, insomnia, sleep disturbance, chest pain, abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting. These side effects can usually occur in patients. However, these are only indicative and not all patients will experience them.